Bonjour tout le monde. Hi everyone. Today in this video we are going to talk about future antérieur and the exercise based on that. What is future antérieur? Future antérieur is the future perfect tense in English. Means when these two action in the future, one action is followed by another action is called future antérieur. So future, how to form it? We'll use will have plus past participle of the verb. And how to conjugate future antérieur in French? The rule is subject, then we use être and avoir as an auxiliary verb or helping verb, but the future form of it. And after that, we'll put past participle of the word. Same like as we do in passé composé, but here we use être and avoir verb as auxiliary verb, but the future form, that is aura and Sarah. So let's see first example like this one. This one is when I will have done my work, I will go to the cinema. So quand is the expression. After this we'll use future antérieur. Quand, like after quand, lorsque, aussitôt, quand, desquels, we use future antérieur. So this one is quand j'aurai fait mon travail, j'irai au cinéma. So quand j'aurai fait mon travail, this is the first action in the future, and this one is the second action in the future. So when I will have done my work, then I will go to the cinema. So first action is called future antérieur. Second action is simple future tense. That is ire, ira, iron. That is the future tense. Lorsque j'aurai choisi un livre, je sortirai. So j'aurai choisi means when I will have chosen a book, then I will come out. So je sortirai is the future tense, and j'aurai choisi we use avoir as a helping verb, but the future tense here. Next example is when we talk about this one. This one is aussitôt. Aussitôt qu'il means as soon as. Then se lever is the reflexive verb. Se lever is a reflexive verb, so we use être as a helping verb or auxiliary verb. So it's like aussitôt qu'il se sera levé, il allumera la lumière. So il allumera la lumière is the second action, means he will turn on the light, and this one is the first action. Now we'll talk about this one. Quand nous aurons terminé nos études, nous aurons notre brevet. So this one is when we will have done our studies, we will have our brevet. So second action is this, first action is this. Now last one is desquels aura lieu le livre, elle fera une promenade. So here lu is the past participle of the lire verb. Lire means to read. So this one is as soon as. Desquels means as soon as she will have read a book, she will take a walk. So promenade is to take a walk. Okay, so this is about future antérieur and the future tense. Let's see another example, another exercise. Complète avec la future antérieur. So here you can see there is two action in the future. Second action is already given here in the future tense. The first action should be future antérieur, but what we will use? Être verb as auxiliary verb or avoir verb as auxiliary verb. So let's see first one. Sortir. Sortir is a movement verb. So in case of movement verb, we use être as a helping verb. So here we use sera. Tu seras sorti. Sorti is the past participle of the sortir verb. Tu seras sorti. J'irai en magasin pour faire des achats. So lorsque tu seras sorti, j'irai en magasin pour faire des achats. The second one is, the second action is il partira pour son bureau. The first action is dès qu'il aura lu le journal. So dès qu'il aura lu le journal, il partira pour son bureau. So first action should be future antérieur, and here we use avoir as a helping verb. Quand tu auras acheté des fruits, tu pourras faire tes tartes. So quand tu auras acheté des fruits, tu pourras faire des tartes. It's a second action, it's a future tense, and the first action is future antérieur. Quand j'aurai appris ce poème, je te le réciterai. So this one is apprendre verb. Apprendre, the past participle of apprendre is appris. J'aurai, Ore is the future form of avoir verb. So ore is a helping verb, je is a subject, is a past participle of the verb. The second action is the future tense, simple future tense. We put re, ra, ron, re. That is the ending of the future tense. Now we say this one, quand nous aurons réussi à notre bac. So nous, this one is about first action, and the second action is nous entrons dans l'université. So quand nous aurons réussi notre bac, nous entrerons dans l'université. So second action. So this chapter is finished. Merci, au revoir, bonne journée.